Hey y'all, Shampoo, so welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know it has been a while since I actually posted a video, but welcome back. I am back. As you guys can see, I am back with some hair. Y'all, stay tuned for the end of the video. I'll give you guys a whole bunch of details about this hair, where I got it from. Of course, the link will be in the description box below. You guys will see me braid my hair. You guys will see what products I use for my hair. You guys will see me, do the actual wash and go and lay my edges and all of that, y'all. Just get to that, get a drink. I know it's been a while, so I'm so excited so you guys can see it. But yes, stay tuned for this video. So I'm just showing you guys the products that I use for my hair. Everything will be in the description box below. Before we get started, hold on. Y'all gonna have to excuse me. I was too hot to record this video, so let me just show you guys what I'm doing here. So right here, I am just sectioning out my leave out that I'm gonna have for my U-part wig. I don't have that much leave out, just the middle part and then the edges, just to make sure that I have enough to cover when the wind does blow. And then now that I have it sectioned out, I'm just gonna braid my hair all around. Alright, so as I'm finishing up my last braid, all I did was connect all 3 braids together, and I'm just showing you guys. Y'all just gonna have to excuse me because these nails, they are hard to braid with, but that's okay. I just need a flat surface. I'm gonna repeat the same exact thing on the opposite side, and then I'm gonna show you guys a little length check, so stay tuned for that. So as I'm finishing up my last braid, I am going in with some bobby pins and I'm going to pin my hair on the back. So what I did a little crisscross with 2 braids just to make sure that the back is flat. You guys can go in with a needle and a thread. If you guys don't know how to do that, then of course a bobby pin is quick and easy. As I'm pinning up my last braid, I'm going to show you guys a 360. Y'all, please don't do too much in the comments. Please don't do too much in the comments. I'm going to show you guys what comes in the box. So in the box, it comes with some lashes. It comes with a wig cap. And of course, one of those little headbands if you want to tie your little edges down. You guys have the actual wig. More information about this wig will be in the description box below. So this is how the wig looks dry. And then it comes with a net on there. If you guys do not want leave out, that's how it will look on your scalp. And then it comes with like little combs and like little clips that you guys can put on the back, and then it has adjustable straps so that you can adjust it. Here I was showing you guys what I washed the wig with, and that is this natural curl pattern. And as I let the conditioner sit in the wig, I'm going to go in with some oil and oil my scalp before I put the wig cap on my head. So that next step that you guys seen me do, I put the wig cap on. It's completely optional, but I feel like it protects my braids from this actual wig. So within this wig, they have adjustable straps on the back. I'm making an X with the back. This is just to make sure that the wig is snug because it is a little big for my head. First step that I do, I put the combs in, and then at the top there's 5 clips, but I'm only going to clip in 4 out of the 5, so 2 on the left, 2 on the right. And then I'm going to put the 2 combs on the side and just tuck them in my braids, and you guys can just see it. Honestly, this wig is beginner friendly, so if you guys are looking for a beginner friendly wig, this is for you. Alright, so now that the wig is on and it's secure, I'm just showing you guys how it looks with just the clips being on. As you guys can see, this wig lays very flat. So if you guys wanted to do a little sewing, y'all could do a little sewing. So I'm just showing you guys where the 24 inches drop on me. I am 5'5", but as you guys can see, when the wig does dry up, it does shrink, but it's not too much. So I'm going to go in with my leave out. I'm going to just do a basic wash and go on my leave out. You guys could enjoy the time lapse. If y'all want to see a video, drop it down below and I'll definitely do that video for y'all. Y'all, so as you guys can see, as I finish up this last section, my curls are coming together. I'm just applying just some product on the actual wig just to make sure that as it dries, it has some type of product in it. You guys, if you guys have heat damage, you guys can definitely coil your hair and blend it in within the wig. All I'm doing here is using edge control. You guys can use any edge control of choice. This is just to make sure that it has that smooth finished look. And then that's all, y'all. Put some oil on that hair and you guys are good to go out the door. All right, y'all, so that is the video. Thank y'all so much for watching, like as always. So as you guys can see, I just finished doing the hair. The hair is very much still wet. Y'all can see my shirt, it's wet, but it doesn't take long to dry. So I'm about to like finish getting ready for like the day to actually go out. So I am in a rush and you guys will see it dry. So the thumbnail might be like the hair dry, you never know. But yeah, so let's get into my hair. So my hair is at the top. You guys can see like the blonde. As I wash my hair, it gets lighter. And of course, when this weave is dark, it dries lighter. You guys will see it when I did. Well, you guys already seen it in the video. So yeah, so it'll dry lighter. You guys will see the thumbnail and everything. So yeah, so I didn't have to do any blending with my hair because I feel like this hair actually mimics my natural hair, like the curl pattern and all of that. Like y'all can't even tell me where my hair start and where it stop or none of that. Like, yeah, probably right here you can see because it's lighter, but other than that, like it is beautiful. Like I'll do a whole 360 so you guys can see. And yes, my hair is out. With this wig, you don't have to leave your hair out because they have like a little netting. Hold on, let me see if I can find it. They have a little netting where it gives scalp. I don't know, right here, it gives scalp, but me personally, Hold on, let me fix my hair. Yeah, so it gives scalp. Like I could really just braid my hair down and just put it here and then like, you know, do that. But no, me, I want y'all to think it's me. I mean, it is me. I did purchase the hair. It's me all the way. Y'all, this is my second time buying this wig. The first time I bought it, I just bought it just to buy it, just, you know, because I liked it. And then I loved it. It was very soft. The curls were soft. And I would say the wig lasted me about like 2 months. And then it started to get like, you know, started to frizz and started to like shed, but I loved it so much I bought it for a second time. And I didn't record it for you guys, so I wanted you guys to see what I was doing with my hair. So around this time, I'm going to be doing a lot of protective styles, and of course one of them is going to be this wig, and I want to try other wigs as well. But as I said, this is my second time buying this hair. This unit is 24 inches. This unit is a black with like highlight wig. Everything's in the description box below. The price and everything is in the description box below. But yeah, this video is not sponsored. Unice hair. If you guys would love to sponsor this video, my email's in the description box below. Plug, yes, and I'll do all the videos y'all want me to do. Okay. Y'all, it's been like a minute since I actually like recorded a video, so it's like I really don't know what to say. I'm like very excited, so please excuse me, but I am so happy to like actually be back now. The vlogs, I don't know. But I've been posting on TikTok and actual YouTube and my Instagram. So all of that is in the description box as well if you guys do not follow those platforms. That is it. I think I covered everything. Of course, if you guys want to wake up with me, get ready with me with the Upro wig, those videos are coming out as well. I'm going to do that with this hair, how to style it, what I use for this hair. That's why I didn't put that in this video so y'all can see, but like it's giving, I grew this out. If anybody asks me how long I grew my hair, I'm going to tell them all my life. No, I'm lying. I'm gonna say 7 years because it's been about 7 years since I've been natural. So 7 years. Yeah, very much. It's giving 7 years. It's giving. And then when it dries, oh my God. Y'all better stay tuned. Okay, let me stop rambling. Y'all, please like, comment, share, subscribe to this video out to y'all friends. Let them know about Misha Curls. Let them know about the videos that I post on my channel. As you guys can see, I'm back once again. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing one, and I will see y'all later.